Hello, Abraham. I've been waiting for this moment for a while, and I knew it was coming, and I'm so excited to share this with everyone. So when you were talking about the others with the last gentleman, my heart just lit up, because I feel like I have a really good understanding of how we create others in our reality, and I wanted to talk about it more. So yesterday, or 2 days ago...
Well, before you go further, we're just going to stick something in here. It's not different than you know, but it is a good way for everyone who's listening in to look at this. You and others, because you think thoughts, create thought pathways on which you rendezvous. It's as simple as that.
Yes.
And so?
Okay. So you said something about dreams and waking reality being the same thing.
Not the same thing, but being both perspectives, being managed by the law of attraction.
Yes. Yeah, I love perspective. I love seeing people's perspectives play out in reality. And I love knowing that the law of attraction is real, because it gives me a chance to change my perspective. And I feel like my reason for being here is to share my perspective and how perspectives can differ.
Yes, and if you are incapable of changing your perspective, then you would be incapable of any expansion at all.
Mm-hmm.
Because what is has been allowed by you so far. What's next is going to require an adjustment. So many people who are interested in stability think that adjusted vibration is opposite from stability, and we say you can become stable in your ever-changing vibration. You can get tuned in and be steady in that way, while you allow past experiences and the beliefs that they have caused you to form to fall away. Have you ever noticed that a belief will serve you until it doesn't? Then it's time to let go of it, but it's hard because law of attraction doesn't let you let go of it easily because of your habit of thought. And so
you get to let it play out, and I love letting things play out. I love seeing when I've created something.
It's not only that you get to let it play out, you have no other choice. But in the process, you're going to launch some more rockets. And as your desire factor becomes clearer and clearer, and your connection with source factor becomes more and more regular, to the point that it's chronic, then those shifts take place easily, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like that's where I'm at right now. I love the stability of constant change.
There you go. There you go. Those are really good words. The stability of the eternal nature of my being. Because if I am not eternal, then I would cease to be.
And the reason I wanted to come up here was to share my realization that I want to be here. I always thought that I wanted to be here when I came through as a baby, and that was the decision. I wanted to be here, and then I was stuck here. But I love knowing that I'm here because I want to be here in this exact moment, every moment.
We'd like to add to that, we'd like your recognition of it. No one can be stuck on the leading edge. This is not a place where you stagnate. Life won't let you, unless you stubbornly hold to beliefs that don't serve you. Even then, you're not stuck. Out you go.
Yes. And I love sharing this with our kids. I love that I get to share this with my kids and learn through them. They're the greatest teachers I've ever had.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to do it again. And today we just had a little bit of contrast. My husband had one of my children hit one of my other children in the head with a golf club upstairs as I was having fun down here. And even that, I love that they're creating their own reality. I love that has nothing to do with me. I love that they might have learned something from it and they might not have. And I love that I'm totally detached from anything that's happening.
If you want to look at that in a way that's even more satisfying, because we really like your position, but this might help anyone who was observing it. Just introduce two words that mean the same thing: escalation and momentum. And realize that nothing ever has to come to that if recognition of escalation in the direction of something unwanted is seen earlier on.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all. I'm complete.
Really good.
Thank you so much.
Really good.